Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to go ahead and watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info regarding your Shopify, such as home, orders, products, customers, and so on. So guys, after doing this, now we can go ahead and get started with editing our Shopify store to add our products from AliExpress. So what we want to do guys is first is to go ahead to the search option right here and search for apps. After searching for apps guys, go ahead and click this option right here that will appear that says view your installed apps and plugins. This will take us to this page where we can see our apps, and now go ahead and click the Shopify App Store button right here. After clicking on Shopify App Store guys, this will now open up this new tab where we can search for whatever app we want to add. Let's go ahead and add AliExpress. Click on AliExpress guys and type that in, and now we will be seeing multiple apps we can add, such as Zendrop. This option right here, we can add AliExpress dropshipping and whichever we want. Go ahead guys and find the one that suits you the most and install the application. Here you can see how it looks. You will be able to confirm items from AliExpress to add to your store. So go ahead guys and install it. After clicking on install guys, this will take you to this new page where you just want to confirm your installation to Shopify. And after installing it guys, you can see now we can go ahead and click on install app. After installing the app guys, now go ahead and open up the application and just add the products from your AliExpress to your Shopify. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.